The ACE Symposium isn't just about products, it's about the future.
I think my favorite presentation was probably Tim's, discussing changes in the standards and then the AI.
100%. The breakout sessions were absolutely critical.
The breakout session that I liked the most where they started asking us what can Hanwha do better for the next step.
Love the mingling in between the sessions, the passport stamps. So even if they don't know anything about my product, they come to talk to me.
The Fairmont's beautiful. I think that the location with all the pools and the different activities that we've had over the last couple days have been amazing as well.
Doing an event in a location like this gives people an opportunity to actually truly meet, connect, and communicate and interact on a less formal level, but still professional.
Networking, getting to know a lot of the consultants, interacting with them during the events in the afternoon and at dinner, thinking to myself, well, this is where we can fit in.
ACE Symposium is just another example as to how Hanwha is investing into the A&E community.